So this is a very simple and straightforward work light. It has a USB charging port. Once it's plugged, when the battery is not charged, it's red, but once it's fully charged, you will see it's green. And there are 3 light positions: the full, the mid, and the headlight. So I'm going to turn off the light now and show you the 3 types. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's very bright, and it also has a hook and a magnet base. So this is the hook. Let me see. Okay, if you want to hook it up, and if you want to place it on the metal surface, it has a magnet that is strong enough to hold it and not drop. Thank you.